got the crankcase opened up. Here's the cam and the governor, and here is the crankshaft. And look at the bits and pieces of the connecting rod. That is definitely in need of replacement. Just chunks of it. There's even more down there. Here we are. So, well, and that fracture is over here on this side. So that means something pushed really hard up against the inside wall here. But once again, maybe we can use a little JB weld and seal that up. And it depends on if there's any scoring in the cylinder walls. If there's any scoring on the cylinder walls, I probably won't bother going any further with this engine. But if the cylinder walls are good, let's pull that out of there.